say, oops, I got na-na-na problem singing ba-ba-ba.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess and today we're going to do a simple natural makeup for the beginners like me still. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So let's start. First of all, we're gonna use this baby skin instant pore eraser by Maybelline, and then I'm just going to link all the names and prices of this brands that I'm using on this particular video, and I'm going to put them on the description box below. I just need a small amount because I need to erase or blur a little bit my big pores around here. And then the rest, I'm just gonna go. Next, we're going to we're not going to put any BB cream or foundation. So instead, I'm just gonna go conceal spot my blemishes or my imperfections.
And then some of the pimples or acne scars.
And then I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm in the shade medium. And then I'm using this sponge by e.l.f. This is the blending wedges. They have 8 pieces of this in one circle. I believe this is like $1 or $2, and then I got this on their spring sale, which is just 80 cents, so it's a good deal. We're going to put some concealer around under our eye because I have eye bags in there or dark circles. And then we're just gonna go drag a little bit here. We're not gonna go put all the way here because we wanted to have like a natural and simple look. So we're just gonna go put it on the red and then a darker area on this side. Now we're gonna use this sponge. Next, we're gonna use the Perfect Finish HD powder by e.l.f. And this is how it looks like. I know I've been using this a lot. And then we're going to use this brush. This is the powder brush. Here we go. Next, we're going to use a bronzer. This is the Healthy Glow bronzer by e.l.f. again, and this is in the shade of Sunkissed. I believe this is $1, I think. So we're still gonna use this brush because this is only a bronzer, it's not a contour, so we're just gonna go do a number 3. And then side, the chin, and then we're going on the other side. We're gonna go backwards 3, and it depends on you if you wanna, where do you wanna put it, but for me, I always use the 3 dimension thingy. So next we're going to use blush. This is the Milani Baked Blush in Carolina, and I did use this one on my previous videos, by the way, and I'm going to link that video over here. So if you guys have a time to watch that, please watch it, and thank you for if you're gonna watch it. So we're going to use this ultimate blending brush, and then the only thing I like about this blush is you only have to dip it a little bit, and this is the pigment already, so you have to do the fishy face and then just spread this one. And don't forget to do, after you dip it, you have to pat it a little bit, because if you just dip it and then put it on your face, you're gonna get a problem. But it's better to have less than a lot. Better to put a little bit, and then you can just build it out if you wanted to put more blush. And then the rest, I'm just gonna go to my nose just to get that natural. Next is eyebrows. So I have these drawing eyebrow by Etude House. This is in the shade of, I think it's grayish brown or something. So I'm just gonna go brush them. Tell you, and then I'm just gonna go start fill it in. Next is the eyelids, our eye, and then I'm using this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. This is the Wattles. This is a satin finish. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. The only thing I like about this Super Shock eyeshadows is easier to use them when you're like just starting to put makeup on your face, or you're just a beginner. It doesn't look like you have it, but it's a natural one, and you guys gonna see this later. Moving on, we're gonna do a tight lining. We're using this ColourPop Creme Gel Liner. I'm gonna go tight lining. So we're just gonna erase this, and then there we go. We're gonna curl our eyelashes. And we're using this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Next is we have this highlighter in the Moonlight Pearls by e.l.f. And we're using this brush by VASANTI. The last one is the lips. We're using this Revlon matte balm in the shade of Sultry. And then we're just gonna fix our hair. And then you have it. This is like a natural, simple, or a natural everyday makeup. So here it is. And then I'm going to show you guys the natural lighting for this one. guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Comment below what you guys think about this natural simple makeup for the beginners, and I hope you guys like this one. Give this a thumbs up and have a great day, guys.